Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove or replace the exterior side mirror from any BMW X3 F25 out there. On this kind of vehicle I will have to apply some vinyl wrap over the chrome parts from the windows, and to do so I decided that I have to remove the exterior side mirror to give me more space and room to work with, and in this way it will make my job a little bit easier. So to remove the exterior side mirror on this kind of BMW, the first thing which you have to do is to go right here inside the vehicle, inside the door panel, and you'll have to remove from this corner one screw which is securing the door panel attached to the door. And after that you have to remove this plastic part from right here in the corner, and after you pull it a little bit outside it will reveal 3 bolts or 3 screws which are securing the side mirror attached to the door. So from here the first thing which you have to do, like I told you earlier, you have to remove this plastic part from the sound boxes, and you have to pull it out, and right underneath it will be one screw which is securing the door panel attached to the door. You'll have to use an Torx 25 to remove it, and after that you have to pull the door panel a little bit outside with a special tool or with your hands just to pry it open from the door. Very good everybody, so after you finish removing the little screw which is securing the door panel attached to the door, you'll have to put something underneath the door panel and you'll have to pull it to the exterior. You don't have to remove it completely, you only have to pull it a little bit to give you more room and space to work with, and after that you can move forward to remove the other parts from the door. Okay everybody, now that the door panel is a little bit pushed out from the door, I can just pull out this plastic part from underneath, and you'll have to pull it over the door panel. Make sure to not break it, make sure to not force the plastic clips, and in this way you'll be able to do it yourself on your car. After you pull it outside, as you can see, you have right here 3 mounting screws which are securing the mirror attached to the door, and right here in the middle you'll find the power connector which you'll have to disconnect to pull out the mirror completely out from the door. Also, you have to make sure that you are holding the mirror from the exterior while you are trying to remove the last bolt which is securing it attached to the door, because you don't want to make it fall on the ground and break it. So just make sure to hold it while you are trying to remove it from the door. Alright everybody, so right here as you can see, the mirror is removed from the door. You have to pull it outside and it will come out very easy from its place. From here you can also put back this plastic part and put it over the door panel just to be safe and just to make sure that you are not breaking it while you are trying to close the door or open it. Alright everybody, so as also those are all the things and all the steps which you have to do and follow if you want to remove the exterior side mirror from any BMW X3 F25 out there. Doesn't matter exactly which year it is. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.